Today on HandyDadTV, I'm going to show you how to replace a bad GFI when you don't know what circuit it is. Coming up. Welcome to HandyDadTV. I'm Chris Hyder, your virtual dad in the cloud, and I'm on location in Myrtle Beach this week, just taking a little bit of a vacation at a friend's condo, and he just had a renter move out, and that's what they left him with. You can see the black on here. Something definitely went bad in this outlet, and it must have had some kind of a scary event, but they never reported it, and my friend found it when he came back to the condo. So we got to replace that, and it also feeds the other outlet. This one here is also dead because it is wired to the other one. So when that GFI died, this outlet is dead, so nobody can use a blow dryer or a shaver or anything like that. A quick look at the circuit breaker panel. Yes, they are nicely labeled. This one here says 15 is GFI bathrooms, but I'm not going to trust that. I have no idea, so I'm not going to be able to test it, and my life is too important for that. So I'm going to turn off the main. Well, unfortunately, in this condo, the main must be in a separate panel someplace else that feeds this sub panel. So I have no choice but to turn off everything other than the 240s. I don't need to turn those off because I know it's not a 240 circuit. So I am turning everything off. All right, here what we have is typical. There's a single ground wire coming in that gets fused together. You can see, actually, there's two wires coming into this box. One comes in with the power feed, the other one goes out to the other outlet. And I'm going to set up the new GFI exactly the same way. So one is labeled the load and the other one is labeled the line. The line is the one where power comes in, and the load is the one where the power goes out. Okay, the two on the bottom are labeled the line. I don't know if that's visible, but it says line. So that's these right here. That's what I'm going to connect to the new one first. I'll connect the line, then I'll connect the load. Now, as luck would have it, on the new one, the line is on the top. Doesn't really matter, but yeah, it's different than the other one. All right, so that's the line connected on the new one. And these two are going to go to the load. Now, this is the old one. And I'm not really sure what happened to it. It's not like the whole thing melted, but something fried the circuit inside, and it wouldn't work. So it's definitely dead. So these outlets, that's completely wired. They're the same way a standard outlet is. They've got the brass screw. That's where the black wires get connected. And the other side has a silver or chrome screw, and that's where the white wires get connected. And of course, the bottom is green. That's ground. So now I just got to stuff it back in and give it a shot. Now it's installed, time to go and turn on all the power. Give it a try. Barely see the green light, but the green light is on. Test, reset. Now, because I don't have a tester, I just took a lamp and plugged it in, and it definitely works here. Let's see about the test. Oy, can't get the test button. Test, reset. Good, let's try the other one. Okay, that one works too. Now I'm gonna go and push the test button and you tell me if it goes off. All right, let me know. Okay. Good. So that's the kind of stuff I do when I'm on vacation in Myrtle Beach. So now that we're done, we can go hit the golf course. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey there, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be the first to know when new videos are posted. Look for HandyDadTV on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and visit the website HandyDad.tv for more great ideas and information.